Many of our most often used tools are useless without an air compressor behind them. Although it's the tool that gets the job done, the power behind it is dependent on a well-working compressor. Like anything else, however, they don't last forever. The time will come when it needs to be replaced. There are many products available to choose best 60-gallon air compressor, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best 60-gallon air compressor from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Industrial Air 60-gallon 5 horsepower 2-stage air compressor. The Industrial Air ILA 3,606,056 60-gallon twin-cylinder air compressor is a heavy-duty unit made with cast iron and an oil-lubricated pump. It has an oil sight glass with an easy maintenance system due to the accessible oil fill. The 60-gallon tank also has a pressure gauge and an on-off switch. With 155 psi, the industrial tank uses 240 volts. It is durable and has 3.7 running horsepower, RHP. This model also has 11.5 standard cubic feet per minute, SCFM. At 90 psi it delivers maximum power to all of your tools. You will be able to run the compressor without large electric bills, as well. The twin-cylinder pump has a 12-inch balanced cast iron flywheel. You can use it at either 208 or 240 volts without having to change any wires. Manufactured in the USA, you should note that this option is louder than others, though. What's more, there is no indication of the lifespan of this particular product. It's a vertical tank that has a 1/2-inch connector. However, you should keep in mind this compressor is more likely to have gasket issues. Number 2. Dual 60-gallon 5 horsepower 2-stage air compressor. This dual 60-gallon air compressor is tough-built and durable. It's the backbone for dealing with a variety of high-load pneumatic tools. And a great value deal made for prolonged and easier solutions for professionals and industrial users. Thermal overload protection system integration to protect the motor from voltage fluctuation. The motor can be powered on 230 volts, while there is no need for a magnetic starter. Patented pump and piston design ensure compression efficiency and stable performance. Moreover, its lower RPM rating also maintains the cooler running for a longer time. The 2-stage pump delivers maximum pressure of 175 psi, which can operate many air tools at a time. Your tool will continue to get high compressed gas for a long time. There is a high flow port on the tank to receive the compressed gas. The tank has a large capacity of 60 gallons that keep you focused on your job. No mental worries about the volume of compressed air left. To intake the clean and pure air that is free from dust and debris, there is fitted an industrial air filter. Number 3. Ingersoll Rand 60-gallon single-stage air compressor. The SS55 HP 60-gallon single-stage air compressor is our favorite low-cost alternative to our first choice. As expected, this is another 60-gallon tank that is a single-stage, 230-volt system. This option is made with industrial quality components that are safe for enclosed areas. This tank has 18.1 cubic feet per minute, CFM, airflow, and 100% continuous duty. SS5 adjusts the air output as it runs, as well. At 90 psi, you can use this tank for cleaning off your workbench, or for heavy-duty projects. It has a 1/2-inch outlet, extended lifespan, and quiet operation. This model comes with thermal overload protection and a manual reset. Using 30 amps and 230 volts, you can also plug this tool into any household outlet. Unfortunately, the one aspect that keeps this option out of our top spot is that it only lasts for 5,000 hours of use. Other than that, the cast iron construction will ensure that those hours are trouble-free. With the automatic start and stop control, oil sight gauge, and easy-to-fill oil port, this is the best 60-gallon air compressor for the money. Number 4. California Air Ultra Quiet 60-gallon compressor. The California Air Tools is oil-free, making it far less time-consuming to operate and maintain. You will also find this model to have a longer continuous run time and a dual-piston pump system for great performance and durability. Designed as a vertical tank, it uses 220 volts. One downside to this option is it's more expensive than the other units mentioned so far. What's more, you will find it only has a 3,000-hour work span. Number 5. Campbell House 60-gallon 2-stage air compressor. This model can be used with the majority of power tools from paint sprayers to grinders. Using 240 volts, you have 3.7 HP available and an induction motor. The Campbell has a quick recovery time to keep your projects moving along. It has approximately 5,000 hours of life, plus a durable cast iron construction. What's more, it's easy to maintain the tank. This option is also unlikely to overheat as it runs cooler than most. The 2-stage pump stands up vertically as not to take up too much space in your workshop, as well. Keep in mind, however, this model can be more expensive to run. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.